Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Jeneline Mabagdalena, 33 years old. I have one child. I have 2 years experience as a nanny in Philippines and 4 years experience as working student in housekeeping, cooking for the 4 members of family, and cook Filipino foods. And I am willing to learn how to cook any kinds of foods. I can care children, elderly, adult, or new baby born. I am baby lover, especially baby girl. I can work also with coworker. I can work also alone. I prefer to work with adult only. I prefer to work with adult.